All right, for this one, it says, what is an approximate solution to the equation 4 over x minus 5 equals the square root of x plus 3 plus 2? I'm just going to graph them. So I'm going to take this one and I'm going to say 4 divided by x minus 5. And then I'm going to take this one and I'm going to say the square root. Can I do this image expression? X plus 3 plus 2. So this is where it crosses right here. Now I'm going to change the colors a little bit because it's throwing me off a little. So let me take a screenshot of that, and I think there's some multiple choice. So this is what we're dealing with. So what we're looking at is the x value when those two are the same y values. So B, I think. That's it.